Well, they tell me that the American presidents have fireside chats. Well, today I'm chatting to you from my inspirational chair, and I've got a small bottle of inspiration next to me, a book that I'm reading. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today I'm going to do a very short video on the sanding of the drawers for the Apothecary Cabinet. So I suppose I better get up and do something. Before we start, let's give the disc a little bit of a clean. So dust on, power on, clean the disc. Okay, so now that the disc is all clean, let's sand one of the drawers. As you can see, there are finger joints all the way around. They're a little bit proud, so they needed to be cleaned up, and then the drawer fronts are rounded over on all four sides.